What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to the best 4x4ing channel on the whole of YouTube. And today, you saw the title, you know what it is. This is what's replacing the Pajero. I bought myself a 2008 ML Club Cab 3.2 4M41 Triton. And let me tell you guys, this thing is honestly insane. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys what I'm talking about. So here she is in all of her glory. Honestly, I am so impressed with it. It is actually scary how clean it is. I'll tell you how many Ks it has in a while, but when I bought it, roof rack, long range tank too, 140 litre long range tank. It is tuned. Besides that though, it's bone stock, completely bone stock, and VHF aerial as well. Dual battery system stuff too inside here, so which is really nice. But besides that, she is completely bone stock, but so clean except for the dust. You can come inside the interior. I have installed this already, so there will be a video coming out on that after I post this. But 5-speed manual, obviously 4 low, easy select. If you're a Mitsubishi guy, you know what that means. We're in 2 high now. Put the front cover over it. Stupidly clean inside. I think it was a 1 owner since new, and yeah, this thing is just impressive. So impressive. It just drives amazingly. A little bit thirsty on diesel, but that's that. And in the back over here, we have the dual battery stuff over here. Some aftermarket tire run points where you can put your little latches, which is really nice. I think it had a canopy on, but hey, plans for that in the future too. Let's go to the cockpit side where the fun happens. I've installed a aftermarket temp gauge, so for an outside temp, but obviously we're just idling now, sitting still, so it's just the motor's temp, which is not too bad. Or should I say engine bay. Fun button over here, rear diff lock. I did just test it, doesn't work too well, but we'll fix that, maybe another video. And believe it or not, she has 358,000 Ks on the clock. It is, I no idea how it's that clean for that many Ks, but you can listen to her idle. She sounds incredible. So stock, ridiculously stock inside here too. Besides the dual battery stuff over here, and you can see there it is over there. Really well looked after too. New brake master cylinder, clutch master, but let's close this for now and just show you guys how cool she is. Honestly, I am so stoked with this thing. Absolutely beautiful. I never knew I'd be so happy with what we call a bucky, ute, truck, whatever you want to call it. This thing's badass, like, and it is pretty quick for what she is, honestly. Not slow. After like 2.5 grand, this thing just wants to fly. It does like 180 Ks an hour super quickly, like way quicker than it should. But that's about it, I reckon. There's going to be some stuff coming to the channel for it. You guys will see the video. I just thought I'd do a little intro to the new girl to the channel. Also, headlights I've already polished too. Another video coming up. So stoked, guys. Honestly, it's just cool. And I bought it for absolutely nothing. Got a bargain. But I'm just so stoked, guys. So stoked, so happy. Can't wait to start working on it. And also, if you didn't notice, merch drop coming soon. We've got this logo. I'll maybe put the other t-shirts here, all the other logos and that, whatever, all the designs I've come back with. The back, I don't know if you can see, but that's that. I'll put up photos on that of all the merch. Coming soon. But boys and girls, we back, baby. We back. Get in, boy, full fucking send. And that's gonna be it, guys. That's just gonna quick, easy video. Just thought I'd do it. Thanks for watching, guys. We're back. Well, 4 boys. The pad was gone, but not for long. 3 diamonds are forever. Let's go, baby. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, all the good stuff. And don't forget to always send it. Catch you guys on the next one.